Let's check this magical place. This park was founded in the 1800s, and now we all share it. It's a public park, which we like to keep it that way, where everybody can enjoy it. It's so nice to take the time to do what you like to do and just basically recharge yourself with something different than home chores and responsibilities, work. You have to take care of yourself by doing things you like to do. I totally recommend for you to find your favorite place and just do something like this. I got tons of things to do at home, but guess what? That's gonna wait, because this is so much better than cooking. And you know how much I like cooking, right? But it's so hot right now, and this place is beautiful, has shade. There's no excuse why not to go walking with my favorite friend, which is my dog. She is always ready to go, doesn't get tired, and is willing to stay with me the whole time. I get tired before she does, and that's why it's so nice to have a companion like mine. So I'm guessing everybody has a place for when they're feeling down or they want to get recharged. They just need time for themselves. And I have mine too. This place always takes a load off my shoulders. I have spent many mornings, afternoons, evenings here, and I hope it never goes away. Even has a heart full of flowers, and that's my favorite shape, because who doesn't have the heart for a place like this, right? I hope we always keep it clean, hope people take care of it, hope that we don't sell it to a builder to make houses or businesses, because it sure is nice. It's beauty. I've seen wild ducks stop here and enjoy the little pond, and I sure enjoy it every time I pass by. Never get tired of these. I'm gonna share with you probably the best or my favorite part of the park. Look at this massive tree. You got a fountain for water sounds, and you got this huge trunk. Who knows how old this tree is, but it's sure impressive. It's huge, and we love it. I'm pretty sure you have many things waiting for you to do all the time. And you know, you got to just think of yourself and say what's important right now. Anything can wait. But you gotta take care of you and how you feel about your day. If you are feeling down, try finding a spot that makes you happy. It doesn't have to be a long time or anything, 30 minutes. You can always go back and do whatever you needed to do, which is what I'm gonna do. But I already had my walk. Some birds, check it out. There's a hawk way up there on the top of that tree. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there. I would have not been able to see it if I stay home. I will still do what I need to do, but guess what? I'm gonna do it when it's good for me, not when it's good for somebody else. And you gotta learn to do that, to take care of you. Nobody else will take care of you but yourself. You can't expect other people to make you feel better about your day when you don't take care of yourself. So I recommend you find your spot, your place, and you give yourself that time, and you can be happier. Life is short, so enjoy it. Until next time, my friends, I hope I inspire you to go out and do some walking or anything that makes you feel recharged. Until next time, take care of yourself.